Hi everyone, it's Sam from Sitemate. Inductions are used to onboard workers planning to carry out works so that they understand the health and safety matters specific to your project or site. They're also a formal way of processing workers and checking their qualifications and certifications. So in this video, we're going to look at how inductions can be filled out and organized inside of Dashpivot so that records can be easily documented and accessed on the go, of course. So we've already gone ahead and set up a site induction template. We've already set that up. No inductions have been created just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click this green button over here, Add Induction. And you see that we've already set up this template. We've got a series of fields. I'm just going to fill in a few quickly just to show you. So last name might be Smith, first name might be John, induction date might be today, address, etc. I mean, we can fill out all of these fields here. We've got some checkboxes to make sure that they've got the right certifications. We might want to add some photos of their certifications as well, so we can take a photo. Just a note on this, if we're taking a photo from the mobile app, we can actually open up this form, take a photo, and then it will automatically just get attached to this particular form. And of course we've got a manual signature for the inductee, assuming that they are an external team member. So in other words, they don't work for your company and they don't have a Dashpivot account. They can simply click this Add Manual Signature button. If you do this on the mobile device and on the website, of course, it prompts for a first name, a last name, a company, and of course, there's a pad to sign with their signature, and then you'll have that stamped there. And of course, we've got inductor signature down the bottom. So we can fill out all of this, and once we're happy, we're just going to click Save. We're going to have that record stored there now inside of Dashpivot. We can open it up and make changes if we need to. But over time, we're going to end up with something that looks a little more like this, where we've got multiple entries that have been created. One of the cool things about Dashpivot is that you can convert these forms here into a register really quickly, in fact with just a single click, and we can customize this register that we see here. So each of these columns is one of the fields inside the document. If I click Edit Columns, we can rearrange and turn different columns on and off as required, so that we've got full control over what we see here. And we've got some Excel functionality built in, so we can apply some filters. Maybe we want to look at all the people who were inducted this current month, so we can click on that and it'll fill that in and apply filter, and that will show us what we're looking for, which means that if we need to go back and find something, it's really fast to do so. So that pretty much wraps up the site inductions inside of Dashpivot. If you want to get started with a site induction form, we do have one that's available for free. You can just click on Add New Template, and then choose this option on the left. So choose from Free Public Template Library. You can click on that and then just search for induction, and you can add it to your team to get started. And that's basically how you can use Dashpivot to track your site inductions, keeping those records easy to be found, easy to be exported, and accessed on the go. Thanks for watching.